Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Total War Warhammer 3. To begin your epic journey, first select a legendary lord and their corresponding faction. Each faction offers distinct playstyles and starting challenges, so choose wisely. Familiarize yourself with the user interface, which provides crucial information for managing your empire and commanding your armies. Understanding these fundamentals is key to a successful start in the game's vast world. On the campaign map, your primary goal is expansion and resource management. Conquer new settlements to grow your territory and secure valuable resources like gold and supplies. Recruit a variety of units, from infantry to monstrous beasts, and construct buildings to bolster your economy and military. Don't forget diplomacy. Forging alliances or declaring war strategically can significantly impact your campaign's progression. When battle ensues, strategic deployment is paramount. Position your units to maximize their strengths and exploit enemy weaknesses. For example, use fast cavalry to flank slow infantry. Your legendary lords and heroes possess powerful spells and abilities that can turn the tide of battle, so deploy them wisely. Mastering these tactical engagements is crucial for securing victories and advancing your campaign objectives. For long-term success, focus on advanced strategies and progression. Research new technologies to gain powerful faction-wide bonuses and unlock advanced units. Invest skill points into your legendary lords and heroes to enhance their combat prowess and campaign abilities. Remember to adapt your approach. Each enemy faction presents unique challenges, requiring flexible tactics to overcome them and achieve ultimate victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.